Hello everyone, welcome once again. Welcome to Hamdes TV. Welcome to Joyce Sigan. Yes, my lovely people, let's talk again today. Welcome. Please, if you join me, share this particular information. Thank you all for coming. Yeah, please share this information. Honey, are you awake? Dada, Charebe? Hold on 1 minute. Hold on, Dodo. 1 minute, I'm coming. Let me come and summarize it. Oh, baby, oh, baby. Yeah. Hi, Lamin Traore. My love. Love you. Yeah, love you too. Uchoma. Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone. Chimeremeze Onyinyechuku. Anytime you are online, please go to point. Much greetings. Do not help. Really helps a lot, you know. At least I still have to welcome you all first of all. But that is the most important thing, you know. So let's go there because today information is long, well. I think some people have been doubting that is it really true that Abakari did it, or maybe Hush Puppy wants to just involve them for nothing's sake. My lovely people, the answer is yes, Abakari did it. Because remember I told you last time, I told you that the Europeans or the Americans, before they will arrest somebody, sometimes the issue, they have investigated it already. They have followed that person up for some times, for a while, before they will get the mind to arrest you. Because how it works in Europe or in America, if they arrest you and that arrest was a lie, you are not guilty, they have to pay you a huge amount of money. So that is why anytime they want to bring up a case against somebody, they will first of all follow that person up, first of all investigate it, look around what is going on with that person, how the person is moving, how you are eating, how you are even sleeping, how you are even handling your phone, your messages, so on and so forth, before they can issue the arrest warrant for that person. Now the issue of this Abakari issue may be small wahala, my lovely people, because the FBI, they don't release great information, they don't release enough documents when it be say the communication between Abakari and Raymond Abbas, which is a Hush Puppy, the money transaction, the phone calls, WhatsApp numbers, so on and so forth. Everything have been revealed. Okay, so the FBI, they have everything on their table before they even come out to arrest Abakari. So now let's check in the few things that those people they bring out. That is the informations that they bring out concerning this particular Abakari issue. Chinemere Moses, are you a Buhari son? But you are still a Alexandra Harrison. Alexandra Harrison. That name looks familiar. But you are still a Buhari. You are the one that is Buhari's son now. I think so. Me, I don't even know Buhari. Buhari don't know me. Okay. So, my lovely people, let's go down to the particular details of how these FBI people, how they organize every document one by one, from the A to Z, from the matter of Chibuzo Vincent up to the matter of Hush Puppy, Abakari, so on and so forth. So those of you that does not know Chibuzo, anyway, Chibuzo is from the east, while Hush Puppy is from the west of Nigeria. Chibuzo from the east of Nigeria. Hi, talking to someone, not your sister. Okay, dear, love you. Don't worry, dear. So Chibuzo is from the east, Hush Puppy is from the west, and Abakari is from the north. So you see this their particular thing, it just happened, you know, something is wrong somewhere. And we even thank God that Chibuzo did not die in the custody of Abakari, because we have learned some many informations about the people that Abakari arrested, and many did not make it. They died at the same police station, at the same prison where Abakari arrested them. So now, according to the information, Chibuzo has a net worth of $5 million, as they are saying it. And Chibuzo is not based in Nigeria. He did not base in Nigeria. Up to now, Chibuzo is still based outside Nigeria, whereby he is currently in prison now. So for the Abakari and the FBI document issue, let's continue from here. He said that the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, has said that convicted fraudster currently in the U.S. jail, Abbas Raymond, aka Hush Puppy, paid $20,600 or equivalent to 8 million naira to the head of the IGP, Intelligent Response Team, IRT, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abakari, to arrest and detain his fellow fraudster, Chibuzo Kelly Vincent. So na that Chibuzo matter, so na him be say na he hook Abakari with Hush Puppy now for neck. According to a document issued by the U.S. District Court of the Central District Court, California, and dated February 12, 2021, it stated that Hush Puppy contracted the service of Abakari after Chibuzo allegedly threatened to expose an alleged $1.1 million fraud committed against a Qatari businessman. Page 59, items 145 of the document said. So Chibuzo, Abakari, that is a Hush Puppy, contacted Abakari, telling Abakari that he wants him to arrest Chibuzo, because Chibuzo, he played him some kind tricks. He breached their job, whereby Chibuzo want to expose him on a deal of $1.1 million. That deal was from one man from Qatar country, that is a businessman from Qatar. So because of that, Hush Puppy wanted to arrest Chibuzo. So he said Kari provided the account information for a bank account at a Nigerian bank, Zenith Bank, in the name of a person other than Kari himself. So Abba Kari now, he now give Hushpuppi an account. So that account is from Zenith Bank, and that same account bears the name of Abba Kari. Now the FBI special agent Andrew John Innocent made the allegation in a criminal complaint by telephone or other reliable electronic means filed before the United States District Court for the Central District of California, explaining how the alleged payment was made. The document said on January 16, 2020, Abbas sent a message to Abba Kari on WhatsApp, and then placed 5 calls to another phone number 002348060733588 that was listed as Abba Kari's. Call record shows that the last 3 of the calls were answered, and that one of the calls lasted more than 2 minutes. Shortly after that, Abbas received a message. That is Abbas Hushpuppi received a message from Abba Kari confirming that they have picked the guy up. They will pick the guy up tomorrow. That is, they will arrest Vincent tomorrow. Now Abbas wrote, "I will take care of the team also after they pick him up." Kari confirmed, "Yes." So the document stated that based on the conversation described in paragraph 143 to 145, Abbas plans to pay the Nigerian police force officer who arrested Chibuzo for that service. It further alleged that was not the only time that Abbas arranged payment with Abba Kari. It's not the only time that Hushpuppi arranged payment with Abba Kari. Adding that on May 20, 2020, Abbas sent Kari's transaction receipt for 2 transactions from accounts at Nigerian Bank, GT Bank and Zenith Bank of a person Abbas knew in the UAE, that is in the United Arabic, in the person that Hushpuppi knew at Dubai. So use that name. A person also arrested with Abbas in the same person was also arrested with Abbas, the same person that have this particular account that they use to transfer another money to Abba Kari. So Abbas in Abbas' apartment in the UAE by Dubai police on June 9, 2020 to the Nigerian bank account of another person in Nigeria. The amount on the transaction received totally 8 million Nigerian naira, which was approximately $20,600. Based on publicly available exchange rate information, the FBI document added that attempting to reason with Abbas on January 18, 2020, Chibuzo recounted for Abbas all the assistance he had provided in the scheme or to victimize the victim business person, including creating the power of attorney document, devising a story to tell the victim business person, and facilitating the creation of the telephone banking number and fake Wells Fargo website. So this Vincent was telling them that is the way he supported that same business that Hushpuppi said he took the money, the 1 point something billion dollars that they want to steal from that Katama. So Vincent now told them how himself he was involved, about how they created the name, the fake accounts, every document, so on and so forth. He said even the telephone number for the Fargo website which they used on January 2020, Abba Kari sent to Abbas sent to Hush Puppy a biographic identifying information for Chibuzo, along with a photograph of him in a conversation immediately following. Abbas confirmed that that is him. So Abakari now sent Chibuzo photo to Abbas, to Hush Puppy, to confirm that really is this the person you asked us to arrest. Hush Puppy said yes, this is the person. He said that Abakari stated, "We have arrested the guy. He is in my cell now. This is his picture after we arrested him today." The document said Kari then sent the biographic information about the photograph of Chibuzo to Abbas using 2 different WhatsApp numbers, the second of which Kari said was his private number. So Abakari now sent the photo of Chibuzo to Hush Puppy to confirm that really is this the person you want us to arrest, and Abakari used his WhatsApp number to send this particular photo to Hush Puppy, and one of the number is Abakari's private number. So you can understand now that these people, they have every details, even the whole communication, everything he said out of his mouth with Hush Puppy, everything that Hush Puppy also told him. They have everything bam before they can even ask for Abakari arrest. So now he used the 2 separate phone number to send the photo to Hush Puppy, and Hush Puppy confirmed that yes, that is the person. And one of those WhatsApp phone numbers was a private number, which was Abakari's private number. Now from that point on, Abakari and Abbas preliminarily discussed the arrest and detention of Chibuzo through WhatsApp. So right from that time, they go discuss about Chibuzo through their WhatsApp call. On this private number, the document stated further, after listening to the message Kari wrote, the ones that Kari wrote, he said, okay, the letters when Abakari writes, he said, okay, I understand, but he has not succeeded. Abbas claimed Chibuzo has taken some money and provided Kari with 2 screenshots, one of which contained the phone number 3054405586, the phone number of Chibuzo used to contact the victim business person. Abbas then told Kari now the victim business person was skeptical to pay me the money cause he keeps attacking the victim business person from his end. Now I can handle the victim business person correctly. And after receiving the photograph of Chibuzo, Abbas, which is Hush Puppy, said, I want him to go through the serious beating of his life. Now the issue here is that when after Abbas now, that is Hush Puppy, now sent the picture, everything, now he give details to Abakari, telling Abakari that this particular Chibuzo he diverted the money that were supposed to get from their victim, you understand. So now he wants to treat Chibuzo fuck up. So Abakari should treat his fuck up very, very well. Now he sent the photograph of Chibuzo to Abakari. Now Abakari responded. He said, ha 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 ha. Abbas want them to beat him, beat everything. He even want them to send him to life imprisonment, except that he don't want him to come out for now. Then Abakari said, ha 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 ha. He laughed. And Abbas replied, seriously, sir? Then Kari said, then ask for details about what Chibuzo did on audio, which Kari said was so that we will know what to do. Now, Abakari now asked Hush Puppy to send him an audio of what Chibuzo did to him. That he should send him audio. Then after Ingo listen for that audio, then before Ingo know how they go to handle the case, how they go to handle Chibuzo. Now, in response to Carrie's question about what Chibuzo had done to Abbas, Abbas sent Abba Carrie an audio message which is transcribed here, describing now Chibuzo had tried to steal away a fraud victim the job from him. So he come send am the voice message. When the voice message na come explain say Chibuzo wan steal the job when he be say they wan do, he wan thief the job from him when he be say na him be hush puppy. He said what he did is, I have one job. He come dey explain to Rana. He said, I have one job. The job wants to pay me 500 UMM. That is $75,000. He saying get job when he be say he won't pay him 500 UMM, $75,000. He just use that one to cover up. But waiting the job won't pay him now $575,000. So that 500 UMM and 75,000. Now how they say they pronounce their slangs so that people don't go understand. So the job wanted to pay Hush Puppy $575,000. Now Hush Puppy said that Vincent went to message the job behind him, which is Hush Puppy, because he told him to help him to make one document for him to give the job. So Hush Puppy asked Vincent to, he said he asked Vincent, as he's explaining, he said he asked Vincent to make one copy of document that they have to give to that particular victim. So the Vincent now call the victim and tell the man that you leave these people you will not get any money from there. I am the one that can give you this document. I am the one that can give you this money. Through me you will get the money you are looking for. Forget about those people. So that is what Hush Puppy is trying to explain, trying to tell Abba Carrie that is why he want them to arrest this particular Chibuzo, so Vincent. Now he said, because I told him to help me make one document for me to give the job. Then he went, I gave him the details. He said the guy went, because he went beyond shop, he don't give him details. He said, then he went to message the job behind my back and try to divert the money. And in this process, he tells the job, because of the documents he gave me that I gave the job, he told the job, this document they sent to you before, these people are fake. So he said now that Chibuzo Vincent now told the maga, he told the maga that the document that these first people you are working with sent to you, these documents are fake documents. That him, Chibuzo, is the only one that can give him the real documents, which will make him to receive the money he's expecting. So now, the job that is fake. Then this money is me who can help you. As Chibuzo, they tell the maga, and I said, this money is me who can help you to get it. Come to me. I will bring this money to you. Bring this money you want to pay to these people. He said, make the maga bring the money when he say he won't pay to Hush Puppy, then make it bring am to Ran when he say na him be Vincent, say na him go pay and the money. Now so Hush Puppy take the explain and they give Abba Carrie. He say, come to me. This money you want these people to pay, I am the only one who can help you. And all these things to divert the job from himself. So Hush Puppy say all these things when Chibuzo they tell the maga now to divert the job, just to collect the job from him when be Hush Puppy. It's then the FBI said that after listening to the message Abba Carrie wrote, he said, okay, I understand, but he has not succeeded. So when Abba Carrie can't read the message finish, the voice message finish, then he can't tell, he can't reply, he can't write back, tell Hush Puppy say, okay, I understand why you want us now to hold this boy, because the boy betray you. Say, thank God now, the boy not succeed to collect the maga from your hands. Then Abbas now claimed that Chibuzo has taken some money and provided Carrie with 2 screenshots, one of which contained the phone number. So he con Abbas na con send the pictures to Abakari, telling Abakari say Chibuzo don first collect some money from this same maga. So he con send the screenshot of the account number when Chibuzo take collect this money from that man. He con send and go give Abakari. So na there Abakari con believe say so okay, wetin you dey talk na true. So he continued, said that Abbas then told Abakari, said, now the victim business person was sympathetic to pay me the money because he keeps attacking the victim business person from his end. Now I can handle the victim business person correctly. The document further alleged that Abbas further told Abakari that he wanted to pay money to send Chibuzo to jail for a long time. So Abakari, he say Abbas na hush puppi come tell Abakari say he wants make he pay money to send Chibuzo to a long time jail. Then Abakari can't respond. He said, okay bro, I understand. I will discuss with my team who arrested him. So Abakari come tell am say he understand. He go talk with him people when he be say they arrest that Chibuzo. So he said and handling the case we will do something about it. Said the case there for their hand, they will do something about it. Then Hush Puppy, which is Abbas, now responded, let me know how I can send money to the team, sir. Come tell am say make it let am know how you go send money to the police team, Abakari with him people. Then let me know how I can send the money to the team, sir. Let them deal with him like an armed robber. Abakari responded, okay, I will send their account details to you. After Abbas further wrote, Abbas now Hush Puppy can't see right again. He said, he betrayed me and tried to take food out of my mouth. This is great punishable sin. And Abakari responded again, say, yeah bro. Then Abbas then continue. Hush Puppy now continue again. Said, I want him to suffer for many years. Abakari responded, ha 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 ha. After 1 month, when he be say Chibuzo Vincent dey for Abakari custody, dey for prison. After 1 month, when he be say dey for prison, on February 19, 2020, Abakari alleged he can send a message again to Hush Puppy, that is Abbas. He's saying, hello Hush with SIC. He say, hello Hush, then we need to talk about the subject under detention with me. He can't tell Abbas, Hush Puppy say they need to talk about the guy when he be say he dey for detention, when he be say in arrest, in keep for detention. Then Abbas come ask and say, should I call you on this number, sir? To which Abakari come reply, say yes, call me. He can't tell and say yes, make it call am with the number when be Abakari take send am that message. He can't say yes, make it call am. So the following day, Abakari now sent multiple photographs of Chibuzo. He can send multiple photographs of Chibuzo to Hush Puppy, including close-up photographs showing a rash or skin disease on Chibuzo toes and arms. So this Abakari now, this police demonic now, the next day he can send Chibuzo picture, go give Abbas Hush Puppy. He come tell am say, see the picture, say sickness won't come kill Chibuzo for inside the prison, because he rashes come dey for the hand, the leg. He come tell am say the sickness, say Chibuzo he contact the disease from the people when he be say they still dey for inside cell there. Those people when dey for cell there before, say he contact the sickness with them. So that now when he come send the picture, go give Abbas, which is Hush Puppy. Now then Abbas can't respond. Hush Puppy can't respond. He can't say I don't pity him. He can't say I don't pity him. Oh, make them leave him from Tuesday. He can't say he pity the guy. Say make them leave the boy from Tuesday. Make them leave Vincent from on Tuesday. Then Abakari can't write again. Say okay, bro. They just brought him from the hospital. I can't tell us. They just brought him from the hospital. The fever and the rashes are giving him serious wahala. He got the disease from other suspects in the cell. Then Abbas responded, I see am, I know too pity am, that is what people like him deserve, but I go forgive am for God's sake. Then Abbas now, which is the hush puppy now, he can't say okay, no problem sir, from Tuesday he can go, apparently giving carry his blessing to receive Chibuzo from custody. So because of that picture now, when they send go give a hush puppy, so how the guy say rashes everywhere, say they sick, dey hospital, fever wan kill am, don contact disease for inside cell. Now the hush puppy come say okay, he don pity am, say the next week on Tuesday, say make dem free Vincent. Na so Abakari come say okay, he don hear. So Abakari come respond say okay bro, we will also keep his phone and other gadgets for some weeks. He come say they go free am, but they go collect his phone, they go collect laptop, all those things, everything wey be say dey with am, they go keep collect and they no give until the next week. Now Abbas come respond, hush puppy come respond say yes, those things they should not give to him again. Those ones are gone. Make you no see am those ones again for life. He say make dem no give am his phone and all these things again. Say make you no see am again for life. So Abakari come respond. He say yes, he will not see it again, indicating that he would accede to Abbas' request. Wow. My lovely people. Wow. So you know see how this matter goes. So say these people, FBI, so on and so forth, they are not lying, because the phone number is there, their conversation, their message on WhatsApp, everything, right from the beginning, that Abakari and Hush Puppy knew each other due to the case of this particular Vincent. And the case now 6 people now they involved for this particular matter. 6 people now in Hush Puppy mention for this particular issue. So let me see if I have some of their pictures to see, at least flash to you, and especially the picture of this this another one. Okay, I have some pictures here, like the Chibuzo. This is Chibuzo. This one here is Chibuzo. This Chibuzo, Hush Puppy, and the Abakari. This is the 3 of them. So they still have the 6 people complete, which I still try to download. Yeah. And what baffles me is this. These are the picture of the 6 of them that were mentioned, Abakari and his group. You can see Abakari is there. Hush Puppy, Chibuzo, I don't know what they call the other ones as what does it name? Balotito, Tawakaluji, and so Fashola, so on and so forth. But looking at this picture, my dear people, I think you people can see that these people, they are all young children. They are young guys, you know, young guys. So it pains me a lot to see that these young people now will just go to prison for nothing's sake, all in the name of committing fraud. That is why it's not good to take from anybody. Please, if you want to make it in life, it doesn't mean that you have to cause harm to another person before you can make it. It doesn't pay good that way, because if you did any bad thing to another person, that is what is coming back to you. That money, you will never enjoy it, no matter what. You will never just sit up and just start enjoying it, because that money is not your sweat. That money is the sweat of other people. So it's not good. Looking at the faces of these children now, you will see that they are all young. I don't think that any of them are even up to 40 years. I don't think so. But you can see the condition now. You can see where they are heading to. Where they are heading to. Even Hush Puppy alone self is almost more than 20 years. That is minimum 20 years if they can negotiate enough. Minimum 20 years. I think one of them, Babashola, or what they call Babashola today, or what they call the other one. That one, they bail him with another huge amount of money. That side in America there also. So, my lovely people, it doesn't make any sense, you know. It doesn't make any sense at all for you to cause harm to another person in order to make it. It doesn't make any sense. Just manage yourself, use your talent, your hard work. At least if you get a little money, you can still start up business, you can still make it. What about those people that have complaints? Are they doing all these fraudsters before they make their money? So please, you all have to just reason, please. Because if you cause pain to another person, that pain is coming back to you. You will never enjoy it at all. You will just flash it for some times, for a while, but it will never remain forever, because you have to suffer, you have to pay for the consequences of what you did. So that is it. It's so bad. Now Hush Puppy is asking of people again to help him recover 8 million from another person. 8 million naira from who? They should help him recover 8 million. Gosh, we never finish the one with the talk. Hush Puppy still enter another wahala. They should help him recover 8 million from who? Let's see what is going there. Okay, yeah, it's here already. Let's see. Who is owing Hush Puppy 8 million? Now, okay, yeah. Okay, now it's now that Abakari is coming out to say the truth. You see, after the FBI published everything, how everything happened, it's now that Abakari is coming out to tell them how everything went on. And remember that when they first of all asked Abakari, when the FBI issued the arrest warrant to Abakari, when they asked Abakari, he said no, he did not do any business with Hush Puppy. He just helped him to buy native wrappers, native wears and shoes. We are watching the sum of 300,000 naira. He just helped him to buy those things and push it. We don't know if Abakari is now a wrapper seller or a kara seller or a showcase seller. We don't know. We don't know. So that was what he said. He said he doesn't have any business doing with Hush Puppy. He just assist him. He just help him to buy some clothes, African clothes and African shoes. All those are our attire. These are our fine wrapper. He just help Hush Puppy to buy them, and the thing cost 300,000. Later he send it to Hush Puppy. So, but after some days, they come find out say the comments when Abakari say write this thing, say na so him with Hush Puppy waka o, no be more him not do any fraudster with am. Before you know it, Abakari deleted the message, my lovely people. He deleted it. He deleted and comot. So people were wondering, say, what make this man delete this message? So thank God now, before another thing, hey, when finance go open, now so the FBI they can release the statement of the court, everything when how they take the judge the case for the court, all the investigation, everything when it be say Abakari do with Hush Puppy, how the waka go, how the waka come. Now FBI can release everything. Now as Abakari don't see now say FBI don't release every shocking statement, every shocking secret. Now Abakari come back to come dey talk how in waka with 8 million naira. 8 million naira. Okay, now Abakari now he says suspected commander of the intelligence response team says Raymond Abbas, which is Hush Puppy, say Hush Puppy, the self-confessed international fraudster better known as Hush Puppy, say he reached his team to help him recover 8 million from a friend. Now wait, so may we enter wetin Abakari now come dey talk now as the truth. Now he come dey judge himself. Now he come change statement. Now he say Abakari call am, he come reach in with him team, say make dem come help am recover 8 million from one of his friend. He say when Bikari, a deputy commissioner of police DCP, had come under fire after Hush Puppy, who is being tried. Okay, they don't even fire and self comot. The US official said during interrogation, Hush Puppy disclosed that he gave Abakari money to arrest and jail one of his rivals in Nigeria after a dispute over one. That is the Abbas. Now Abbas Nigeria use him mouth confess everything. In the post, verified account, Abakari denied receiving money. That one, na the message when be say Abakari consent, he can't receive. No, he not receive any money. Na cloth he use and buy. Now Abakari said the suspect Abakari said was tried and arrested, but after investigation, they discovered there was no actual threat to anyone's life, and they are long-time friends. We have money issues between them, hence we release the suspect on bail. Now Abakari dey talk another one now. After I don't delete that first one, say and that the Instagram celebrity only called his office after 2 years ago that somebody in Nigeria threatened to kill his family. He said the suspect, Abakari said they arrested the suspect, but after some investigation, they discovered say this particular suspect not get any threat to anyone's life, and this suspect and Hush Puppy are friends for a long time. He said okay, the money issue be the problem between them, so they have to release this particular suspect. That is Chibuzo Vincent. The senior officer also said later Hush Puppy say some of my native clothes. The senior officers also said later that Hush Puppy saw some of my native clothes and caps on social media page, and he said he likes them and was connected to the person selling the cloth, and he sent me about 300k. So now so Hush Puppy take send am cloth because he see him cloth when he dey wear, he wear attire. He see him cloth when he dey wear. So from then I Hush Puppy say yes, so he like am. So he now know the person when they sell all this one at the like when he first put. He said, but in a new tone, Abakari is being grieved by a police panel following a warrant by the US to arrest and extradite him. Edited his post on the Tuesday evening. Now they don't even issue warrants for him any moment from now to arrest him and to also extradite the Abakari. Make them for carry am go to America, go answer that particular case. He said he also called for another case in June 2020 and complained about a financial transaction with a second person whom he had his friend sent 8 million naira to and pleaded for his friend's money to be recovered. He sent transaction slip to the other evidence to prove the case against that person. He has been working with him for a long time, not even because of only Vincent matter sef. He don't say when he done the work for him. Now he still send after some months again, still send him another job again. Say make he help and recover 8 million naira from somebody when he be say he tell am say make he use him account to collect the money. So the person collect the money, he went be Hush Puppy, the person not give am. Now he can't call her back. That is so Abakari just did there as my house boy. So now him dey give una level now. Anybody now when he be say una we no arrange you and I go just call am make you go treat that person fuck up. Una see una police for Africa, especially that's not Nigeria. Una see una police. This is not good at all. This is not good. See how a criminal just dey manipulate a policeman. No be small policeman no. No be small policeman at all. The oga kpatakpata for up small pikin just dey manipulate una because of money longer throat. The ones when they no dey pay you salary. If your president no dey pay you salary, you need to speak out so that they go know wetin they dey. People go know where they dey. But now forget the one where they pay una. What you now when be the organ when they pay huge amount of money. They put your hand for all this bad thing. What do you want all these sergeants, all these small police people to do? So make them go kill human being now, abi? Make them go kill human being. They make and join. So any small giving thing, so now so which means it's not only hush puppy you are working with. Not the only hush puppy this man they do this kind of thing with, which means there are other people, including that particular country. So there are other people in that Nigeria that might be calling him to go and did bad to other people, to go and treat fuck up. As a policeman, are you there to treat fuck up between armed robbers, or you are there to arrest them when be the armed robbers? But tomorrow you people will come out and be telling us Yahoo guy, Yahoo this, but you all are Yahoo. Wetin dey una eye sef, una no dey use eye dey see person with even a better phone. Una no dey use eye dey see person with am. Even laptop, una no dey use eye dey see person with am, because una think say that person na Yahoo person wey be say e get millions of money, dollars when e wan carry give una. Una just find problem put for that person body. If una just see person wey dress, no wonder the thing enter una eye, e come become another thing. So if you not just see anybody when you say just dress well, you just think say the person get million, you go they follow am, go they arrest am, even they kill the innocent ones when they be say they not see anything bring come and take give una. This is not good at all. And many of una know that because of all this corruption when they for inside this their police and their efforts have been awaiting for that country. That is why people be rise up before for answers. But many of you think it's a joke. But see the issue now. I know that God know they sleep at all. And the blood of those people when it be say una don't do bad. The blood of those people when be say una even don't kill, when be say person no even know. Their blood it go really disturb una. I tell you, all of you when it be say una do bad thing to innocent souls for that country, people will not do anything, una no go rest in peace. So una go rest in pieces, because many of you will suffer it. Because now the fruits when you plant, now waiting you plant, now you they reap. So it's not good. I beg, make una they try to they show good example. And that is true. If you talking about corruption now in that country, start from the beginning, from those people on top. If they talk of corruption, if they talk about bad things, if they talk of even killing and robbery, now all these police and all these Boko Haram soldiers and so Fulani enhancement soldiers, Boko Haram and their group, now them be the killers, now them be the kidnappers, and now they spoil the small children. Now go support people and be say they get money, even though say they kill human being, they get their money. No, not even know. No, not even want know on our own not to collect. Look at one video. This particular video. If tomorrow I will post the video. I will make that video tomorrow concerning one small girl. This particular girl, so the girl only God now is saving life. For where this girl dey for school. In the normally they sell things during the day. They sell shoes, clothes, all the state that they manage himself. So this guy say in there for where for they sell things. He don't even sell some of them. I think about 6 pairs, maybe 5 pairs inside. So before you know, she don't know what it can happen to her. It can be like say sleep on carrier. Before she go open her eye, he said the place when he dey, he don't even know where she dey. Now only darkness, now she dey see. So her phone when they with her, she won't call her friend, and that her friend don't tell and say that want to get her issue. So she won't call that her friend to let her know say I beg in phone in get data with the locations, make they use her to trace her so that they go feel know where she did. As he just carry phone make it just they talk. Now so he say person just crack gun for his head. You just put her for her head, say, oh yeah, give me that phone. Now so this innocent girl, small girl, he carry the phone, come give the kidnappers. He say that place when he dey, they see, he don't know whether day the break or day dark. He doesn't know if it's daytime or if it's night time, because everywhere is black. All places are black, so he cannot see nothing because they lock them in. And the only voice and the only sound that she can hear is the sound of a machine, not normal bike, the machine that they use to cut human being.
That is the only sound she will hear. Say she will hear the sound of machine and people also crying. So she don't know wetin come dey happen. So later, if those people come maltreat them or come do anything to them, he go see that they carry them, they comot one by one. Anyone wey comot, no go come back. Wetin these people dey do with them? He say that machine. So he say they buy machine when oyibo take dey cut meat. He say na machine. Now those people now they keep like all those big machine they call tree for Africa. He say all those kind of machine now they keep. Now these people keep for inside bush. He say people when they there. He say people when they say no be small. Say they plenty. When be say they kidnap. When they cut part to part go they sell. He said these people go use machine. They cut them hand, cut all their parts of the body, and as they cut them, now so they arrange them. They put for bag. They put for carton. He said the carton when they put very big carton, it be like the thing said be like waiting. It be say see they call. He said they call them. The people will call them from outside. They will tell them say they need pass today. The day when they go tell them say they need pass, now that day night they go enter work. Anyone they just carry come out the bro. They cut human being. They carry human being pass. They go they give them. He said he can't reach one day. Now the machine can't spoil. You know can't hear the sound of the machine again. The machine can't spoil. So then they don't know what thing they go do. So these people, now these kidnappers, now they can't carry big motor. He said the truck when they carry come that they need be small thing when they want to pack goods. When they want to pack human being, go sell. He said now so, carton by carton. And they go arrange and join some other elementary goods also, like all those food stuff. They go add and join so that the food stuff go cover the human being when they for inside the trailer. Police or anybody, after all they get police, maybe the one they will give money for road, they go tell them make they pass. No, only when you not give them money go stop. So all these kind of people when they do this kind of business, maybe they'll just give them money to they will pass. Police no go even know some human being night trailer carry complete food trailer. So this particular girl say as they arrange all those things finish, they mix and come join with food stuff, they come they arrange them. So one of them for inside, even she come they tell God say now so she want to die, is it how she will lose her life? But one of them inside their group come say the boy come say she ain't get plan, but make it be even though say they catch them, they kill them, no problem, but let make it be say they try. At least God go know say really they try. If they survive, may they survive. If they still catch them, no problem. After all, if they see they there without doing nothing, they go still catch them. So now so the boy can't bring the plan come. I can't tell them say wetin go happen any day when these people will come pack the cartons again, come carry the goods put for the trailer. Make they try, make they hide for inside the carton. So if they hide for inside the carton, these people now go carry them join carton. They will think say now them be the food stuff or the human being part when the be say they inside. So they will carry the carton, they will load them put for inside truck. Now so they go take escape. So be it as God they want them. Now these people they say that they 15 of them when go for this trip. They say the rest they for that place. They live there. Say they don't even know the location of that place at all. The rest people there for there. Say there be 15 when try this particular game. So how they go take escape? So you can't reach the night when they say they won't come back. It's not towards evening time. So as they carry their big trailer come again, come they arrange the carton, they arrange everything. The one they go no. So now so then now. They can't enter inside one each carton. So the oga when be say now they control them, when be say now bring this information how they go take escape. The boy can't tell them say if they move anything will happen. If they hear say anybody touch carton, they hear the sound of kokoko for carton. May you talk. If they hear your voice say you there, it go help you escape. So the boy now when be their leader, he can't carry knife. So thank God she herself, due to all those boys when they butcher human being, all those kidnappers, they busy, they pack load. She herself can't get the opportunity go carry her phone where they for hide all their things when they busy they collect the phone, so their purse, so their shoes, everything. So she can't reach there. Instead of her to carry her phone, say no, they fit suspect. Now she can't collect her SIM card, put her for inside her brazier. And so she can't enter inside carton also. They say na so they carry them, put them for inside trailer come move the day 15. He said they drive the whole night because he said not even know the location. No know the location at all. They drive the whole night. So wetin they go see here again now? They come here say the car na can't stop. So when the car na can't stop, the trailer stop. So then na come they hope say, God, we thank you. Maybe na police checkpoint. Maybe na those people stop. Say maybe they go get police. Maybe say they feel say maybe they check the loads. Then they will take get rescue. They say they not see anybody. They not see police. They not see anything. They not hear sound again. Say they as they dey silent for inside that carton, so they not hear any sound again. Now so the leader, so when we say carry knife, you can't use knife, can't tear the carton. It tear him own come out. If you reach each carton, as they load each carton, if you reach this one, you go knock. If you knock, say anybody answer. Now if you say human being dey inside, you go use the knife tear am. That person go come out. He said the driver and the conductor they dey for the front of the car due to say they don't drive throughout the whole night. So now sleep don't they carry them. They dey for the front of the car, they sleep gone as God is doing own. The day they sleep. And so this leader, he can't tear the whole carton of these 15 innocent children, small girls and boys. And so now they take jump come out for inside trailer come pick race. According to the girl, as she dey talk, she dey let us dey know say even when they come out for where e be say they fit buy bread, buy I don't know, recharge card, so on and so forth. Now the eastern part of the country of Nigeria, now they come see say they see themselves. I don't know what she call her, whether it's send all those Nnewi side, whether I don't know, whether Anambra side, I don't know. But it's called and say now the eastern part of the country. So unless I will still listen to her very well, because I need to still hear her information, see do the research to that is interpret, so on and so forth, before I go fit come out come do the particular video. But I just want use and say brief now for this particular issue today to let you know say these people when you be say na them be the security, na them they do the bad thing, because that country so that they keep their boa their checking points every 1 kilometer, but all na zero. All those kilometers when they put their this na just for contribution, daily pay, olidara, just for you to come they give them olidara. If you just drop, they will call them oga wetin dey there. They not even they check anything sef. Wow, they not they check nothing now. Or once you come out, just you hold something for hand, just give them. They don't tell you say make you pass. Whether you park, you carry human being, whether the person they die, you African police, especially Nigeria police, they no want know. Waiting they want know na money. So now the people of like Abakari, so now them be this one. So you see that why that Nigeria, that country they hard. Now it make and they hard well for many people to survive. Now it make you see and say the way, even the ways in be say the armed robbers and kidnappers they can't take over for that country self. You go really know say really nothing, the country not they go well, because everybody now don't turn to criminal. Because if to say police people they do their job today against the criminals and all those kidnappers and all those things, the things for don't reduce. But as you see and say the police people are working with them, that they collect their own bribe, say they cover face. That is why you see say everybody get the liver to come they do what you go do to survive. And that kind of country waiting you go call them. Look at what is going on now today. Now everywhere insecurity full everywhere. They no fit handle them again now. No state, no city. When you, the other day maybe a River State when that girl they talk, one girl when she escape from kidnappers' hand. Now for River State she they talk that day. He say if you see her, he say even the community itself they know say really that they keep people for there. Everybody when be saying number one for the community they know, but they know they do anything. He say police motor they come there, police they drive they come. Where they for the butcher human being, so where she for escape for inside bush for River State there. He say police people they come they talk with those people. Hey, all of them they together. So that is why crime they too much. So my lovely people, get us this matter be for me, I say now only Biafra now go bring great peace of mind though. Now Biafra do what to go. So that at least the Arewa, the Hausa people go feel still know how they go take handle themselves and secure themselves. if things go fit still change small. If not, the way when that country take dey go, my people, e don too much. The pains and the tears and the blood of the innocent, e don too throway for that land. I rest my case. Abeg, if you get opportunity to watch this information, make sure you share, and God go bless you as you dey share. So those of you wey still dey with me, God go bless all of you. Now, so now they support me, now so God go continue to dey support all of you. Thank you all for watching, and remain blessed, my lovely people. If anyone want to call, if anybody want to call, abeg una fit still call, put for this matter. Anybody want to call, let me drop my number. If anybody want to call, it's on WhatsApp. It's on WhatsApp. Since you have data, I think you can call. So if anybody wants to call, it's very nice. So that we can see here the contribution from your mind, what you still have to say. You understand? It's so important. At least we have to still interact with each other. We have to talk to each other, communicate with each other, so that as soon as they know wetin dey for my mind as they talk, and so we too go still know wetin dey for on our mind too. Una understand? So for those of you wey be say una call, maybe we will see if we still wait small to know whether anybody go call to contribute for this particular issue. So anybody want call? If anybody wants to call, just say hi. Let me give you my number. Just say hi. Let me drop the number so that you know if you call. Nobody wants to call? Okay. Okay. Anybody wants to call, you say hi, then you can call and also contribute to this our particular matter. So anybody wants to call? If anybody wants to call, you can take this number. You can call on this number. Oh, hi. Okay, Chimeremeze Onyechukwu. Okay, so this is the number if you want to call and contribute. +32 467 67 again 3810. Yeah, then you can write the number so that you can call. Dial the number 0032 467 67 3810. It's on WhatsApp. It's WhatsApp number. It's WhatsApp number 0032 467 67 3810. I'm gonna see if I can pin it here, so it'll be easy. It's WhatsApp. If you call, you will get us now, so that we can still hear from you. 0032 467 67 3810.
+32 467 67 3810. That is the number. +32 467 67 3810. If anybody wants to call. Let's still wait a while. Okay. He said, as for me, I will like. Okay, Chimeremeze. Yeah. Okay, yeah. He said, as for me, I will like the FBI to come and arrest Lai Mohammed, Joe Igbokwe, and Hope Uzodinma, because this set of people are the one working with Abakari. You know, small they will just they come up now. Small they will they involve themselves. Now from hush puppy now, all of them for go. You know, Abakari too go see call the people and still chop the money with them. You know, so maybe only they only in chop and now. So those in team, when they say in team, he go still bring out those in team. No understand. He go still bring out those in team. He go still mention their name. They go still, you know. So anytime you are online, please go to your point. Much greetings do not help. Don't worry, dear. But at least what are we to do? Okay, now this okay, Harrison now come ask you, are you a Buhari son? Oh, my lovely people. Oh, Alessandra, I said I have left that Zoo country for no. Who go fit stay for that country? Who go fit stay? I pity the rest people when fit dey there. I tell you, that country and jungle justice. I pity the people when visit that they stay for that country. They very bad. They very bad. They very bad. The things when we say that they do, it's too much. So nobody wants to call. Then let's close for today. Okay? Now you have the number. If you want to leave any message, if you want to, you know, ask some questions, so on and so forth. Maybe outside the Facebook Live, you can still send message on this particular WhatsApp number. So that is my WhatsApp number. Okay? You can contact me through that particular number. So my people, now well done. So now do well. God will bless you now. As I talk and before us now, they support me, and so God will say they support me now. Bye for now and remain blessed.